Hi guys, Aris, Hardware Busters International. Today we have a cooler from Noctua, the NH-U12A chromax.black. This one, price 120 euros. Yes, I know, it is expensive. Warranty, 6 years. There is no RGB lighting, which is not a significant concern for me at least, but some users will have a problem with this. I'm sure of it, unfortunately. Material, copper for the base and the heat pipes, aluminum for the cooling fins, and it also has soldered joints and nickel plating. Dimensions without any fans, height 158 millimeters, width 125 millimeters and depth 58 millimeters. Weight 760 grams without fans and 1 kilo 220 grams with fans, both fans installed. Speaking of fans, it has two NF-A12-25 PWM Chromax Black Premium fans with SSO2 bearings. These specific bearings have over 150,000 hours lifetime, which is very high. The maximum rotational speed is 2000 RPM. With the LNA low noise adapters, it's 1700 RPM. These fans are of extremely high quality and the main reason for this product's high price. Other accessories provided in the bundle, besides the low noise adapters, we have a 4-pin PWM Y cable, NT-H1 thermal compound, the mounting kit, and a Noctua metal case badge. In Noctua's standardized performance rating, this cooler scores 169, while the NH-D15 is at 183 and the legendary D14 is at 161. So this cooler is better than the D14. Socket compatibility. All popular Intel and AMD sockets are supported. Who does it refer to? Enthusiast users who need a medium-sized yet powerful cooler. The build quality is exceptionally high. This is not a big surprise since it is a Noctua product. This brand is known for its quality and the expensive products. Installation. You use the existing backplate for AMD systems, but you have to remove the stock plastic brackets. For Intel systems, you use the provided backplate, so you have to have access to the mainboard's solder side. Overall, the installation is easy enough, but not among the easiest. This is because you need to remove both fans to access the mounting screws, and the procedure of finding the proper hole for your socket on the Intel backplate is not so straightforward. Testing methodology. I use a fully automated, custom-made CPU cooler testing station to apply any load from 1 watt up to 500 watt. At the same time, the fan speed can change automatically, so many test scenarios can be applied without having to supervise the whole procedure, which can last for several hours. Thermal performance, full fan speed comparison delta. The medium-size Noctua cooler manages to beat the gigantic Arctic Freezer 50 in both tests. The difference with a single fan NH-D15S is not significant, but it is notable for the dual fan NH-D15. Thermal performance, 35 dBA comparison delta. The performance with 35 dBA output is fantastic and not so far with the high performance NGXT Kraken all-in-ones. With 30 decibels comparison, with 30 dBA output, the U12A beats larger coolers and several all-in-ones. As expected, it loses to its big brother, the D15. Noise output, fan speed percentage and RPM. Although the fans exceed 2000 RPM, noise output is low, not going over 35 dBA in the worst case scenario. Noise output, fan noise comparison at full fan speed. The NH-U12A is not a noisy cooler even with both fans spinning at full speed. Noctua did a great job keeping noise output low. Noise output with a fan spinning at 70% of their maximum speed. You will barely hear the fans, unless you have super hearing. Time to steady state. In air coolers, the shorter the time to a steady state, the better, in the majority of cases at least. And the NH-U12A scores excellent in this chart. Relative performance, full fan speed, jalapeno, taking the lead for more massive coolers like the Arctic Freezer 50 is noteworthy. Given its size, the U12A performs very well. Relative performance, 30 and 35 decibels. With 35 decibel average noise output, the U12A takes the lead from several good all-in-ones and air coolers that reach this noise output. With 30 decibels, it achieves good performance, but it cannot compete with larger air coolers like the Noctua D15 and the Master Air MA624. Performance per dBA, full fan speed. This is not a noisy cooler, so the performance per dBA is quite good. Still, it is far away from several air coolers. Performance per dollar, full fan speed. It has good performance, excellent I could say for its size, but it is also super expensive, so it doesn't score a high performance per price ratio. Bottom line, what makes an impression is the extremely high build quality of both the heatsink and the fans. The bundle is also rich, including a PWM splitter and low noise adapters for both fans. Thanks to the medium size of the heatsink, GPU and RAM clearance is good, while performance is high, with the U12A beating much larger coolers while keeping noise output low. The cooler installation is not challenging, and despite the lack of RGB lighting, it looks awesome. Pros: good performance, medium size, good GPU and RAM clearance, extremely high build quality, PWM fans with a long lifetime, a rich bundle including LNA adapters and Y-split PWM cable, not difficult installation, 6 years warranty, and the cons: expensive, super expensive, and the lack of RGB lighting will be a letdown for some of you, not me. Okay, this was another review of Hardware Busters International. Subscribe to our channel for more, enable the notifications, like, comment, leave a comment in the comment section, and if you have any questions, I will try to reply to them. We also have a Discord channel and a Patreon page if you want to support us. Till the next video, bye bye.